Hey guys, so I'm here and I have these heavy duty cable straps. And so I'm going to show you guys kind of how they work with, I just have this big cable here which I want to put together. And this has 3 of them, so this is perfect. And so it's got the smaller one, the medium size, and the big one. I'll probably need the big one for what I'm about to do. So if I want to strap these together, I can just take this and wrap it around like that, and then there you go. So now I have this big strap around them, and it's totally firm, and this is really good. I mean, I could probably even use the smaller one for this, but there's 3 sizes, so this is the medium-sized one, and then there's the small one too, and this is the biggest one, but this is not going anywhere. And these are nice. I mean, these feel sturdy, and here, look. And then it still is on there, and then there we go. Then I can take it off. But this is, I mean, these are perfect if you have big cables, you want to store them somewhere, you want to hook them up somewhere. There you go. I got this big, huge charger here. It is an EV charger, but I got this big charger here, and I can just hook it up on the wall, and then it'll stay there and be fine. So that's sweet. I mean, this is perfect, and this is exactly what I need if I'm trying to store a bunch of different cables or different things, and it comes with a 3-pack of them. So this is perfect, and I'm definitely giving this a thumbs up.